Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how to install our custom puddle lights on this 2024 GMC Denali Ultimate. We offer puddle lights for several different vehicles. They're all plug and play and extremely easy to install. This should only take us a few minutes. Let's jump in and show you how it's done. The first thing we need to do is remove the puddle lights from your OEM mirrors utilizing the provided flathead screwdriver. Once you have your light popped out, just simply unplug your light. Now it's time to install the new puddle lights. Just verify that you have the proper side. There's an R and an L on either one of them. Don't worry about swapping the wire connections. Polarity does not affect these lights. Once you have your new mirror light plugged in, just simply insert it into the factory mounting location. You should hear it click into place. If your puddle light is not displaying in the correct orientation, just simply turn your lens cap to the exact orientation that you would like it to display in. Now that the passenger side is complete, all we need to do is repeat the same process on the driver's side and we'll be all set with the install. As I mentioned, we offer puddle lights for several different vehicles. We have all different types of configurations for different logos, different makes, different models. So head on over to customsunlimited.com and pick up your set of puddle lights today. As you can see, anybody can install these in just a few minutes.